Leah, Brandon, and I are up here at Jeremy Ranch, just off the exit. We're doing Flying Dog as the trail. So I haven't done Flying Dog in, it's been a couple of years. I think I was on my old Specialized when I did it. But anyway, it takes you, I want to say you go above 2,000 feet of elevation gain. And I remember the downhill going through trees and really fun. Brandon got a new bike. Today's his second day on it. He got a giant Trance. I think it's the 2.0 NX. Trance Pro 2. It's got NX Eagle, 115 mil in the rear, 130 in the front as far as travel goes. It suits his riding style. He's a cross-country climber, speed goat, fast traverse guy. Perfect weather, a little crispy, but awesome. We're still on the uphill, but a quick little downhill through the trees is awesome. Yeah, nice. How was that? All right, here's the second section uphill. We're 4 miles in. It's been, the first section was really just kind of zigzagged up. After that, you know, went through the trees, and now we were just traversing, which is perfect because it's a, you know, a gradual incline, but instead of just you know, zigzagging up, you can kind of keep a steady pace, as you can tell, just traversing incrementally up the hill. But so far so good. We've climbed 1,200 feet. I think we still have another 500 more to go. Such a beautiful day though, and the temperature up here is so nice. I didn't sleep very good last night, so I am really tired. My legs are sore, but still, it's fun to get out and explore. We are back at it. We just took a little break. So what is that? Almost 1,600 feet of elevation gain?
Yeah.
Sweet. Just starting our descent. Brandon, how was your bike on the uphill? Let's see how it does on the downer. Burp! All right. Leah's still on the downhill. Brandon's just ahead of me. Aaliyah's just behind me. This trail's super smooth. Forgot how smooth it is. Just as I say it, we go through a little rocky section. Look at that rain. That's awesome. Check, we're doing crazy eights, Aaliyah. Open them up, baby. Drop the seat. Send it! We are on our final traverse. Been such a good ride. Yeah. So a total of 13 and a half with just over 1,700 feet of elevation. That was good, huh? Yeah.